College Algebra, Topic 6.2, Solving a System of Three Equations. For this one, we want to eliminate one of the variables. Here, I'm going to choose to eliminate my y's between these two. So I'm going to multiply this equation here by a -1 to get a negative y. I'll put the answer here. We get, I'll put it here, -y, -z, and a +6. Then I'll pull this one over. The x plus y equals 3. Okay, and then I'll combine these two, and the y's will cancel out, and I'll be left with x and a -z equals 9. Okay, adding the 3 and 6 makes 9. The -z is here, the y's cancel, and the x is there. Now, this has a x and a -z. This last one has a x and a +z. So I'm going to put these two together. So this is going to move over to x plus z equals 1. And now I can put these together and my z's will cancel. So it'll be 2x's equals 10. And this implies x is 5. Well, since x is 5, we can back up to this point right here and say that we have 5 plus z equals 1. Subtracting 5 from both sides, z equals -4. Now I'll back up to this side right here. I'm looking for y now. So I'm going to choose x plus y equals 3. So we have x plus y equals 3. And we know x is 5. So 5 plus y equals 3. Subtract 5 from both sides. We'll get y equals -2. So the solution of this system will be x is 5, y is -2, and z is -4. Okay, next, we're going to solve a nonlinear system. Okay, here we have xy equals 8, and here 3x plus 2y equals -16. I'm going to use substitution, but here we don't have anything that matches for substitution. So I'm going to multiply this equation here by a single x. This becomes 3x squared plus 2xy equals -16x. And now I have an xy that can be substituted here for 8. So 3x squared plus 2 times 8 equals -16x. This becomes 3x squared plus 16 minus 16x equals -16x. Now I'll move the -16x to the other side, so we'll get 3x squared plus 16x plus 16, and all that will equal 0. Now, I'm going to solve this by factoring, see if that works. Okay, 3x squared can be factored into 3x times 3x times x. 16 can be factored into 4 times 4, so let's try that. So if that's correct, my FOILing for the inside would be 4x and 12x. And making these both positive, I'll get the 16x in the middle. So these are both positive. So what I have now are two solutions. I have 3x plus 4 equals 0, implying that x is equal to -4/3. And I also have that x plus 4 equals 0, implying that x equals -4. Okay, so let's put this back into the original. So we have y equals 8. Let's make that -4/3 y equals 8. Okay, we're going to multiply both sides by 3, which will give us -4y equals 24. Then divide by -4, which will give us y equals negative 6. So that point will be x is negative 4/3 while y is negative 6. That's one of the solutions of the system. Now for the other side, we have xy equals 8, and we're going to make x negative 4. So negative 4y equals 8. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we get y equals negative 2. And so my solution here will be x is negative 4, y is negative 2. And this is my solution of the system.